What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. Leave a like and also subscribe. Click the top bell icon to get notified whenever there's anything new on the channel. So we have some things I'm gonna share with you guys and people. Annie and our family, them can just take the month here. The month here for them. You see me I say, that's all me have to say my people. You know what I mean? And we just have to jump in or whatever me I go share with Uno cause. And his son that a Dragga, that the man they have one love triangle like Gwan with people. You see me, with him baby mother and also with a new girl. The man I go out with pure things with people, so me I go on the latest as of now. You see me, I don't know how the update I go later on. But yeah, as me say, me I go on the latest one right now. Even Mika get involved. You see me, the one where did I deal with the lion man. You know that one there? Yeah. Mika get involved to her, and it look like Mika dep on the new girl side. Yo, them girl and the lawyer, they look how long she and Chanel around each other, and Mika just take the new woman side, so that not right. You see me? Also my people, Lando, that a Annie ex-man, him not ease up off of the new man, my people. A basic every minute is a different story or a different disrespect the man I get and the new man. So I'm gonna share that with Uno also, my people. And Queenie find a new young boy. Cha boy, I don't know when Queenie I go learn still, you know. I don't know when Queenie I go learn, but yo, you like what you like, yeah man. You see me? So we're gonna get tonight with people. These are some of the things we have to share with you know. And maybe add even more things as we go on. So make we jump right tonight.
Let me fuck up in ya. Bet me fuck up in ya blood clot. How we panty them day? She can't put on her panty, no guys. She can't put on her panty. I bet she never do that to beat me. Me I fuck up the place now. I pay all who Rosealee with ya. When Rosealee call up Amazon and add a panty, then laugh after her. I want the bag there with the panty, me can't find me. Me can't find the bag with the panty, I would have mash up this blood clot. When Rosealee call up Amazon and add a panty, then laugh after her.
Jamaica.
What you
Remember
say?
you're not nobody, you forgot?
So what?
Remember you're not full Kobe, you fuck.
Them you're supposed to fuck out, but
You forgot?
When me did say
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 Remember daily you call on my blood
Me taking a fuck
why? We take your money
when me few inna. When me few inna.
You stink like shit.
When me inna. When me did fuck. When me did fuck
can't
my
fuck
baby
me.
mother. My baby mother, me ex. Me ex.
Take your
Y
money
and X, Y and Z.
You're not my type. You can't.
Of course.
You chat till you chat.
Excuse me. Yeah, me ex.
You're not my.
Yeah, me pass woman. Yeah, me pass woman. Yeah, me pass woman. Me string up your downtown in our star like pepper light. Rosealee, yeah, me X, Y and Z. And yeah, me element P. Yeah, me element blood clot P. I know you, I know your pussy C. Yeah, me, I know you, I know your Rosealee, remember your pussy tongue long like kite tail. When me see the long thing under your hair, yo, I pile your cut. Big wall. Rosealee, remember say one side longer than one. Same as you see the flap under your arm a shake, I say you shake. Rosealee, at your clinger than me hood. Your clinger than me hood. Mamod. Little Miss Muffet, Tuffet and Puffet. Rosealee, lift up your breast. A peer cockroach run out. 40 leg make resident under your breast. 40 leg make resident under your breast. That bitch. Me lion on me universe. I hit a madio. Me lion on me universe. Me pitch body a junk over here. So what you say now? Switzerland germ.
I saw girl looking at foreign.
Switzerland germ. So you looking at foreign?
What you looking at foreign? I saw girl looking at foreign. And you know walking to you're crying in a foreign of blood.
Yo, walk a bro. Destiny said the month of the year with me here. Destiny said the month of the year with me here. January, February, March, April, May, June, July. You stutter August. You stutter August. You stutter August. Say the month of the year, but you can't say the days of the week, but you can't say August. Destiny gonna know
this language. You make friend but I don't want to go to America.
Destiny you favor local string bean. You're the only girl me see by breast and your belly. You're the only girl me see by breast and your belly. You're the only man me see bird and can't give birth. You're an elephant. You're an elephant. Look for you. You're not fat. Your belly big. Your belly bang no blood clot. You're fibroid and a earner. Bang belly goat. Bang belly goat. You buy breast and your belly. Destiny your belly big no blood clot. Destiny your belly bang. You favor the little pig. That's an African with them big stinking bang belly. Destiny we can't say the month of the year. She can't say the month of the year, guys. She don't understand Swiss language. She then a Spanish country attack patois. Destiny want cross the road. Hear Destiny to the man. Hello sir, good morning. How me cross the road? The man said to Destiny say, me yo ching up ching chong tu. Ankude ko sha tinku taku say. Hear Destiny what you say? Hear the man tunka shaku shake ya. Destiny can't talk the language, guys. He might walk, instead of if he walk and study the language, he must study people business. Pa TikTok, watch her. No Jamaica man na fuck her, no. A pure white man a fuck her. Like she run White Man Association. Like she run White Man Association. Destiny the two we are acrobic. Destiny the two we are acrobic. It two we are acrobic. Destiny me finger can't clover. Me fig watch her. It two we are acrobic. Show your mouth. Destiny cover your mouth. Your finger pretty. Do your face pretty? Your face pretty, Destiny? Destiny, your face pretty. You have to live in a mass like you're a gunman. COVID-19 gone to blood clot for 2019. To blood clot a COVID 2025 and you're still in a mass. A COVID 2025 and you're still in a mass. You're a gunman. You're a criminal. You're a criminal. You're a criminal. I want sickness your Lego. Destiny, I want sickness your Lego out of your mouth. Me find the medication feet. I want sickness your Lego out of your mouth. You did Lego want sickness like a chicken going here. You Lego fall going out of your mouth. Destiny want sickness your Lego out of your mouth like how chicken going here did come out your Lego fall going here out of your mouth. Me find the cure for me sickness where your Lego out of your mouth. The doctor give me that one here. In name carrot when the doctor say me must take it 3 times per day before meal. Me must rub it on my foot. The doctor give me that other one here now. The doctor give me that other blood clot one here. One year blood clot, max 1 year blood clot, CT plus. The doctor say me must rub it on my foot 2 times per day before meal. I cause you walk a little sickness out to your mouth. Destiny move your blood clot, naughty girl, come me naughty girl, leave her alone and so what. Rosalie, that when me did ugly. Show the one new virgin on me. Look how me look good and me felt that. Look how me look good and me felt that no blood clot. Look how me look good and me felt that. Rosalie, that when me did tacky. That's how me did tacky. No make me show for your disgrace video. Don't make me show for your disgrace video. Mahmoud, watch her now. Watch how me I go fuck up the place. Watch ya. Watch ya. Me I go for a picture, guys. A picture for picture. Remember she got for picture. Me I go show a picture now, guys. Me I come. Watch ya. Watch how the face the place I go fuck up now, guys. Watch ya. Remember she got for picture, you know, guys. Remember Mahmoud got for picture. Me I come the guys. Remember Mahmoud coffee blood clot picture. Look at this a janko ya. Look at this a janko ya.
Truth.
Never know say when you grow up everybody fight everybody. Never know.
True.
You have to know certain things. Don't be talk about what me. No.
I like your
Sister
reason. That's
versus
reasonable
brother.
reason.
Brother versus sister. I want to tell queen. I want to tell. Stop what I say. Yeah. Bigger woman for me. If you know everything, you can't make a young boy tell me. I'm 22, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I'm 22. Yeah.
Alright, some people, the youth here, seeing, I believe me seeing on somebody else live already, you know, me no remember, you know. I think a youth here even on the transmission, them live and go up and go on him, with himself, you know. But I think him tell Queenie say Queenie must see PISS upon him. You know what I mean? He want Queenie piss upon him. You see me? So me don't know if that make Queenie interest sparks or what, but when I go hear what Queenie say she even go fly down come link him with people. And me never know see a youth like that was like Queenie type. You know what I mean? But me have to tell him say, you know Queenie already, you know the type of person Queenie is, so I hope you prepare for everything that come with Queenie. You know what I mean? So we can watch some more with people.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Two. Double
Game
tap.
two.
Two
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
I thought
Level
you said you was 28.
No.
You don't have no.
You got far.
Why
You
though?
got far. You got
You're really a
far,
baby.
please. Younger than that. Me,
That's why
younger
I said
than
I'm
that.
gonna get fight and I will if I fighting that in a cute boy. Them I gonna fight me for your smile. Them I gonna fight me for your
God.
age. Them I gonna fight me for your ear. Them I gonna fight me for your eyes. Them I gonna fight me for your ears too.
Yes, everything you more fight you for.
Oh, me still I come look for you. But me
Are
nah
you
look
say
for
no?
you.
Yeah.
He said he was 22. Me never remember that name. I think him said 28 the last time.
You say nah with me? Yeah.
Me not lead you on. Me not lead you on. If it end up for me for that together, I saw it go, but me not lead you on. You understand?
You have to read that myself.
I love your braveness. I'm like your reasoning.
Yeah.
Your reason. Your reason with ability.
Yeah.
The man fight with you.
I say go, you have to reason with ability. Because me have to tell me me have to tell me why. I want me come I'm to queen, man. That's all right, going. But more time for me, sick people, yeah, you have to sick people too, you know? You have to tell them say there's somewhere I know the right place. That's all right, come on. Because you're dead, you know. People target you. You there one spot where people are come from target you one. They must come target. So come on. It's right.
I love your eyes. Your eyes them sexy. Yeah, it's nice. Bomber clat. No, sir.
So I get a blind me do.
Blind you how? That's not good. What you mean? Him say him not have nobody, but as soon as you want him, all the girls them are gonna come. You know. I'm the run left him and them. Queen, you should date us and life, fall in love with Queenie. 22, you know. Me think him at 28, you know.
22, man. 2002, I'm born, man.
But your reason with the maturity, I love that.
I go talk the fruit. If you know like me, I'm at 22, I say go, man. Yeah, man. I nah go say because, no. If you have to go on, you have to go on. I say go, you know, man. Verses, you know, man.
Watch me, man, I chat up, blood clot. Look at me lips, see. Bumbo clot! Me blood clot, sipal. Right.
One feeling, man. One thing.
Fucking hell, sipal. Speechless.
Yeah, I make a song already.
That's how you make me feel when I'm with you. And nothing is surreal. Oh, you mean stop it? Him have me speechless to blood clot. Him brave. Him nice, him brave, him have tolerant. Him can hold conversation. Him determined, you know? I admire that. Very mature and a 40 or 60 years old man having like them 12. So once you compatible age should not be a problem. Him sweet for truth. Roti. you can't cook roti? Wilson, what you say? How are you serve for? See Paul.
Yeah.
I want to give my own name. Can you do roti?
You want to give me your own name?
Yeah, my own special name for call you. You know something wrong with that? I want bad boy in there and bad in there and that, you know. You see, Paul?
Yeah.
Yeah, body
Yeah,
there,
man.
don't.
Yeah.
Is it like, you see eyes them? Man, them eyes never. Me hear him age and my skin catch a fire. Hot stuff. What does that mean? Queenie ear didn't age and skin catch a fire. What does that mean? My skin they catch a water before me hear that? And then after that fire up, work it out now. You focus on you, precious. Young Cooley. Yeah, Young Cooley.
Yeah. Young Cooley. Yeah, man, my young man, Queenie, man. I get it twisted, man.
Why you come trouble me for with your young, too young, 22 young?
Yeah. So, if you want me, if you don't want me, you don't want me, I say go, man.
Black, blah, 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 blah. Bomba class. One sipal in the pussy.
Yeah, boss.
No, I'm joking because I know you like young boys. Your opinion, I can't contest that anything I want. So that way I talk about now. I talk about sipal with him eyes, all if me see my looking at him eye in a real life to blood clot. Visa need to be screwed, Queenie. Yeah, man, anything him forget him, I get it. Yeah. Don't mind blood alone and not talk about.
Hey, mix up, man. I feel mix up my talk about, man.
Yeah, Queenie like who she like, gonna leave me alone. Bumper clad, sexy berry, say berry. Book up.
Right.
After you prove say you like young boy. Low me no man, so what? I did marry to a young man, and a young boy. Me did older than him. Come age come off a blood clot almanac. The Paul name the Paul almanac. The man when I married to and a blood just older than him by 20 years older than him. But him age come off a bomber pussy almanac when I married to him. Low me. And don't dictate and multiply and subtract my blood clot. Don't calculate your blood.
If Queenie, tell them, talk to them, Queenie.
I like him brave, that's all I say. Nowadays, them attack. Whatever will be, will be.
Alright, my people, someone to tell me what they think about this. When they think them are going to hit it off. When they feel like say I'm going to be the perfect man with Queenie want. You know what I mean? Him going to do her better than Dewey. And you know what I mean? She going to find the man that she always been looking for. Cause you know Queenie them good as no one, old big man. You know what I mean? Them want somebody younger with full of stamina. You see me? Fi keep up with her. You see it? So I want to tell me what they think. Make a prediction with people. Put it in the comment section. Or tell me if them are going to start out and end bad like she and do it. Just make me know what they think.
Sarah, you're blessed. Thank you, darling.
So won't have to say no. Signal me, I want to look on my phone. Why my phone? Yeah. Only can chat about good girl and you know. Not too negative. Film underpants can't fit pan Kevin. The man just come online and try be shit and I watch him in section every day in the pan line and watch Kevin. You get me? Where film underpants can't fit. Whole land of underpants to fit Kevin. I'll be a shitty attack. You don't come like you're some fat. What the man do with the underpants? We move that take out the underpants from Ochi for your lanky underpants can't come give the man. I disrespect the blood clot man. Eh? When people not tell the man the truth, you're too wicked. If you tell the man say you're a wicked ratted man because your baby mother, your baby mother, where this squad push out a child for you, you turn your back pan her. Oh, go on, good girl. And don't know account about
No.
we take in underpants girl.
You not hear me?
Dirty girl, you not hear me?
You not free?
Big head though. Account about say me take in underpants can go give Kevin. And all the bag when me have a theme bag. I don't think the pan media tell you know.
Whoa, you woulda kill this. You woulda kill this bad.
I can't believe so the man.
Look up land under.
Do film dirty linky underpants. So if you will pan if you take care that go give a man. We make do film dirty linky underpants. In underpants linky like him. None of people them not tell a man say Chanel, all of them in a excitement, they not tell a man say, brother, you have one young baby. A young baby that a man have. You understand what I say? Don't even go to a woman as a baby pluck out a woman all in run left a woman. And that if you go talk about and come off for people and stop watch people everywhere they go. A wicked man that no for one woman, no what moon eyes and look how man wicked. That the man they are wicked man. At the end of the day, if you look into it, you understand me, this woman, this have baby. The woman still in a pain. You understand what I say? And because the next man have your ex, you make it and left and run down somebody else. Come on, man. We don't know if you do it.
Thank you, Shaq.
Alright, tell us.
Need more information.
Tell me.
Begging for days. I'm not telling you now, no brave as woman, you know. If I want to take one, me alone, I see me slim thick. Alone, I can't take beating. Me see some people run off. Some people run off of him.
Gwan, tell me what Gwan.
Eh?
A lie.
Where they Mommy, remember say people there, no, me can't try. No. So look on the stream what that me see.
Oh yeah, share come. Oh, to their church, so when they got church, you love mix up too much. The church, they love too much mix up.
God jump in a war and flap ourselves. You
need Virgo?
Wenji?
Eh?
Wenji?
What me do? What me do now? You see in time? Me not do nothing, me never talk nothing. Me say me I go tell people something. But me not talk.
Everything there,
eh? That girl, thank you so much, Anna.
Yeah.
Hey boy, you see you? Text me on WhatsApp, you see you? Mommy, your Wi-Fi poor, bud.
Guys,
I just see that girl, thank you, my number one. Guys, don't follow me number one. I'm not telling you. That girl Mika, oh my God, Jesus. But you know, so one, you know. Should I tell them?
Mika, go connect with Chanel. Sheldon, stay with them.
So people, Mika this year now, I give Annie the lowdown our Dragga Gwan with the female them. You see what I say? Boy, I tell them, the dog, they know, cause you know sometimes the girl them not go for a certain type of man, but look like a dog, you know what I mean, have the style for them. Cause the baby mother now left and the girl knows same of a baby mother and she now left neither. You see me I say? So boy, a real Dragga. So I go watch some more with people.
No more go.
May I come back? I'm a Wi-Fi, may I try pick up and come in.
Alright, Sheldon, Coldplay or not Sheldon? what kind of mango you eat?
The hairy one, sir.
Yeah, the good though. No, you eat the mango, me not say nothing.
That one of them call it the stringy. So no call it.
You see, you have to learn from a string, it goes straight up to the Indian. It's sweet though.
Yeah, man,
Guys, you can't get it or not.
Come in, guys. Everybody tap up the screen.
Oh, I'm not telling me things.
Yeah.
I get a call, I get a video, you know. But me not go chat, me not go chat because I know my business. Me get call, me get video, me don't know why I'm not do them sitting there.
Me here.
Me use something. Then give me.
Thank you.
Me get call and mix up. Hey, wanna mix up body? Go stop on WhatsApp too. Me not say no, me get video. Me frightened. Me frightened when I get the video. Me I play two people at the same time. Just weighing my options. Play two sides at the same time. Might end up in some problems.
We just stop do that. 2 times now. And you know what you do.
But I don't cheat, me and cheat. It's a date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it raw.
One rose, guys. One rose. Come in.
Oh, me I go bad boy. Yeah, you know me I talk about. You know don't in a comment section laugh. You know me I talk about. Me never go say nothing. No Gwan.
One rose.
And I cheat, me and cheat. Just a date by law. And if me give it up, me not doing it raw. When you stop sending me video for WhatsApp, they get annoying now. Oh, this is nice. I will get you. Oi. Which video? I see every one of them.
No, I want the dirt marker.
I'm sitting in my chair, yeah. Guys, we can get some funny double. What question?
You mean with me now, man?
I don't know. You eat one more manga for this?
I want the rose.
My last one left.
You see, me not call no name. Me not talk about nobody. It's a song. Who make the song since you make the song for everyone? If you don't want to pick and choose and refuse, me never dare talk about nobody. Me just sing a song. So, no bother with it. Me shy. You too shy. Me shy. Guys, more add over Chanel like more add over this. Me not talk about nobody. Me serious. Me not talk about nobody. With the mango, you think me like mango no feel?
And it's mango here.
Watch it.
Me have to go a tree.
I know me man. I know me man. Go on, boy. Enjoy your day today. Yeah? Enjoy your day. Today is a nice day. Enjoy taking the fresh breeze. Slide to Smarty's live. Me I beg you. Go to Smarty's live. Me and the two people at the same time. Just swing my Oi. You see me looking? Me tell us some more. Sheldon, me tell us some more.
No, sir.
Alright.
What am I say to you?
They must say a lot of things. They say if you eat one more mango, because you want if you practice.
That not did.
Jayden, Gwan.
You don't need no more practice, man. Tell them that.
You don't need no more practice? So,
No.
I don't do this.
you know, so you know what that mean? Yeah, pro. So, me see how you man going. Like you ready for your road.
What are them say if me I go back a mango tree again?
Oh. Alright,
them two mix up.
Me mix up. Me shy, me no mix up. Me shy bad. Me ear nice, you know, guys are cool, you know. Real born coolie, but me don't know what the rest I hear them gone fire. So. Me real born coolie. Me nah go make them kill the Touch you come up on my live. You're not even could have turning it something.
Jesus Christ.
What do you?
The dash more.
No, yes, what do you come trouble me?
Yeah. Well, you dash more if it's true. Jaja.
If you start with him, I go run now. Maybe it's what you know get him.
My side, nah, stop. We not stop. We just are begging us up.
Family, no matter what. No matter how we live bad, no matter how tomorrow we curse, it's just one family. Right? But this is it when I try for reason we don't know about. Whole situation where the panic hap right now, right? I talk low, I don't want to talk.
So, this is Annie and all my people. I talk with our son, the girl is aka Dragga. I go on with the females them, cause I juggle them, you know, my people. I one after the other, you know, and none of them now left, you know. So we could get in it.
Load. It's like, to be honest, me as a mother, I go tell you what Gwan. I'm want my real people then reason with me. Derek wife, stop call me husband name in your mouth. It's like, guys, I feel a way where we know say yo, I end up having to cut off certain things from around me because I don't want to deal with it no more. Meaning said, alright then, Chanel and my son, everybody know about Dragga and Chanel, right? That's my son. Tell me if you don't know Dragga. Tell me if you don't know Dragga. Come on, you must know your name fam. Yeah. Alright, so everybody there so I want to hear what Chanel say, right? And I'm baby mother. I want to see the whole situation with the both of them. Right? Now listen what I go down. Because it's on the internet. It's the whole on the internet because she pussy. Now, I talk to my son. I tell my son, say, listen to me. This relationship is not working for you. You understand? Because I don't know if a mother can see trouble before it starts. Right? Many mothers can see problem before it starts. You understand? I'm a talk to my son. I no bad mind them, you know. Me no bad mind them, you know. Me no hate them, you know. But you see, if you is a person, you can say problem before it come. You try to render the problem before it happen and tell them the truth. Me messed up joke with them, you know. But me look upon them and me tell them the truth. Say, listen to me. You don't need to leave each other alone. If you and a person agree, right? It makes sense to break up and separate. You see, from the moment you're in a relationship and you see your partner take up cutting tool for hurt each other, may I tell you, say this one for run. You see, if you're in a relationship, I will not argue. Argument because teeth and tongue are going to meet. But you see, the moment you start kick and box and thump and pinch, brother, may I tell you, say run. You understand me? Because when it started to be physical, you understand me? It don't make any sense. Right? And that is when me tell them. And when me tell them that they feel like say me a bad mind them or me hypocrite against them. No, me no hypocrite against them because listen now. You see the DM, me get a phone call there. Say my son whap Chanel finger because me call that whopping finger. Right? Me and you, they in a relationship. And you have to end up down a hospital, right? Where a man end up whap your finger. Me nah give me son the right. My son not have no rights. But you as a woman, you see say it gets so bad till your finger get whapped and you're dead on a hospital. Right? And I just know me look on you and me say to you, said, leave this man alone. Don't call me name right now. No call me name because me vex, me upset. Right? Me want you listen. Me been through this a long while, you know. A lot of you don't know this, you know. Right? Me been through this a good while. You understand me? Ups and down, fighting, and me in a make a party, and when me take a stack and me get the blame. No, watch this now. Chanel says she don't want back the man. No, watch this now. She end up with the man in her bed today. Boom, so then take a picture. She take a picture and put it on TikTok. Show everybody. No, the other girl now. See the picture. Now tell me if I'm a problem this them a story up. I know say when phone calls start and me I get in. When everything start and me. All me keep on a talk to these people, big people, they not hear me. Me want live a life. Me want happy now. Me want do something for myself. All along me I take care of everybody. You understand? And when me try to advise them, nobody now listen to me. Well, life already depend on the media. Everyone our life. If them do something, they edit it. Honey. Right? And channel is too. Alright, watch this now. Everything where them edit are Annie. The least good thing they do is Annie. Right? If anything happen, Annie. You understand me? If they do a station, Annie. If then they are hospital, Annie. You understand me? Me talk to my son. Me tell my son, say what you do, you're wrong. You understand me? You're wrong for what you do. In many ways, you're wrong. No. You take yourself and this man go up at the baby mother yard. Baby mother take picture with him in a bed for proof. And show it now upon the media to everybody saying he in her bed. You understand? The picture now reach back to the other girl. You get me? Now look upon the whole situation now. Just take the whole situation. Right? Check your whole situation. Me there so sit down. Me turn to my son and me say to my son, say, you know, say he's a fucked up youth. Yeah man, me not feel like you not gonna like me. You not gonna like me. Me turn to my son this while ago and me say to my son, say, you know, say he's a fucked up youth. And honestly, what you do, you blame the woman them. Why you blame the woman them? Blame what you have in your pants. Cause anything you have in your pants, it has stray away. Right? And when anything happen, you feel like say you feel go blame the woman them. Blame yourself. Because you are the man. And you are what kind of give away your thing all about. Right? You understand me? No, listen now. You say woman, you can't play with woman feelings, you know. What if some woman head no good, you know? You can't play with some woman feelings, you know. That me I tell you, you know. Because some woman their head no righted. You play them feelings some way, me I tell you, say them with the head. God will tab you up. Woman will take your life because a thing like that, because you play with them feelings. Chanel I try to prove a point. The girl on the other hand, you understand me, want the man. And you in the middle I play these two women. You understand? No, Chanel post video on social media saying in her bed right now. You understand me? The girl now upset now. And I'm mad out on that. Because the girl I say she have feelings seen. Right? Hey, Father God help me no man. Hey, you know, me look for my son this squall and tell him, say, you pray the bed, you go lie down tonight. Anything what happen to you, don't call me cloud phone. I swear to God this squall go, so me tell him, you know. Me say, big man, hear me, I say to you. Anything what happen to you, don't call me cloud phone. You understand? Because what I did, me take
people, you see that youth there, he might play a very dangerous game, you know. Yeah man, he might play a very dangerous game. You see life of a girl is some people, our wicked thing, you know. Nobody feels you want simple something, you know. Anything can happen to you, know, cause the girl them can jealous so much that them just give a coward joke and I hit that for you, you know. You see me I say? And if you play with woman heart like that with people, them we mash you down, man. Them we obia you, cause the girl them love obia. If you believe in a obia. You see me I say? Don't, alright. If you give a girl bun, don't rub it in her face. You understand what I say? Do not rub it in her face. And I carry the girl come at the yard certain way and you know what I mean? Him don't know what him do. I just that me have to say. And and he say any day nothing happen to him, I feel him bed him spread him I go lay down in it. Because she know what can happen to him. You know what I mean? And a woman alone, and a man alone can hurt a man, you know. Woman can hurt man and analyze them, you know. You see me I say? So him have to know what him do with people. Big one thing. Although him say him not really want the baby mother push up herself in him right through. So, you know what I mean? You know say man weak to flesh. So maybe the next girl not around and the baby mother present something nice so him can, you know what I mean, deny. So him just go indulge and afterwards want to get rid of her. But I don't say her, girl them have feelings and them attached to your dog, you have to know what you do. You see me, I don't want to think with people, I want some more.
Him, I put him down a me yard. I left him up and baby mother. Him baby mother stay up a fear yard. No, if me come off and me bed, I give you and say take for me house. Right? And make your baby mother stay up a fear house. You take yourself, go up there so the woman could have video you and put you up on social media. So you know, say that the editing is Annie's son, Annie daughter-in-law, Annie this, Annie that, Annie Ray, Annie T, Annie. Can I speak to you? I am a young mother with this. Yeah, you can speak to me, of course. I give you a follow. Answer, accept my request. Yeah, you can speak to me. Talk again, no man. Come on, no man. See that person, man. See person, man. The strong one. He might play a dangerous game. No, hold on, no. I want to tell you guys a dream when I get last night. I want to know ready for hear that dream when I get. I already tell B about the dream. Me this squad tell Chanel about the dream. Now me I go tell you guys about the dream when me get last night. Tell me if you're not ready. This dream I when me get last night when me jump out and me sleep when me doze off. Love you baby. I want to listen to the dream when me get. Right? Me dream say me back me there Ochi in a my house. Right? And like Kevin did it with me. You understand? And it's like Kevin have one piece of tick in her hand. And Lando did the end up sit down on the ground, you know. But when you look in a Lando eye, he look dangerous. In her eye look. I don't know how to put it, but in eye does look dangerous in the dream. And Kevin now take one piece of tick and lick Lando with it. And Lando just get up and just one stabbing game right in her stomach. Me not joke. I'm not joking. Me I tell you my dream. Me tell him already. Me tell two smarty my dream. Now me this I can share with you. I want to listen to me. Stop taking for joke. My dream is Kevin take a piece of tick. And like Kevin say, my youth. You understand me? Like he say, my youth, you know, lift up from yourself. And Kevin take a piece of tick and lick Lando with it. And me say Lando fly up and one in give me in stomach so. You see when he tab him, me grab him and start like me I try to run with him. And but when me I run with him, me could have feel the blood run out from my hand. At same time, Kevin turned on and said, Jesus Christ, you really stabbed me? And that Kevin saying at the dream, you know, say, Jesus Christ, you really stabbed me? But too much, I run out from my hand, me can feel it in back, say it I run out. You understand? And between me run, can go to the hospital. Right? I like me come back up on my yard when me look at big people in my yard with big stone, cutlass, all different type of things, same thing. So me started to back way because me see whole heap of people in my yard with big stone and thick and everything. I mean hear when one man saying that the group say, hey girl, are you make you dead, you know? God, listen to me guys, listen to me. In the dream, the people that were coming in my yard, one man said to say, hey girl, are you make a youth? You understand me? You losing life, you know. No, I lie me I tell. He say, hey girl, are you make this happen to the youth, you know. I mean I tell you, say the people then start run me down with big thick and cutlass. Me afraid run on my back part of my yard, I tear down the back part of my yard to get away. And you see when they catch me just fly up out of my dream. My heart a beat. My heart a beat. Me I tell you my pulse when me get up. Me I tell you me feel it. You know what me could have feel? Me could have feel a blood stain on my hand where I leak out from him back. Me could have feel it even when me wake up. Me could have feel a blood stain. Pray, Annie, pray. So you see, this while ago, me get a phone call. Me turn to Chanel. And me say to Chanel, say Chanel, you know, say me get a dream, baby, alright? And me I come here, right? Me turn to Chanel, right? And me say to Chanel, say Chanel, you know, say me get a dream, and this is the dream. And me start tell her the whole dream. She said, which part of it there? Which part of the dream happen? Me say the dream happen right in a Ochi in my house. But remember, say dream can interpret a different way. Right? Remember, say dream can interpret a different way. You understand what I say? Dream now walk straight. Father God can show you a sign. Father God cannot show you what will happen, so you can try to prevent it from.
People, you can see say Annie feel it, say she can't do nothing about the situation, yeah, and she know what can be the outcome. You understand me? So me want to tell more what I think with people. If she could just stop try and just left him to whatever happen, you see me? Or she could continue to try. You see it? Cause we know say she not go on hear no news say why him get hurt certain way, and them girl we hurt him. Cause them are hurt. Because he might hurt them on a level. And as I say in the intro with people, in Jamaica, I don't see this thing here happen enough where a man have all 2 wife or 2 women certain way. You see me? So the girls them need to know say yo, you know can play for the same team. You know what I mean? Life we make better. Don't in no competition for the man. Just join together and it wanna love him. Simple as that. Let me know what I think with people. I watch someone.
No. You understand? And all me keep on a talk to them big people, yeah. Them are big people. Them are no pitney. Them are no pitney. And me keep on a talk to them and I say to them, say, oh God man, you look a family up and I need so much pressure. A time for we rise. A time for we smile. A time for we happy. A time for we just love each other. Right? So the end of the day, if you are going to take back the man, take back the man. Leave the girl alone because you are going to play with the girl feelings. Somebody are going to get hurt and somebody are going to damage somebody, guys. Sorry. Yeah. What do you want me to do?